All right, boys, starting out the vlog today.
CPR. Let's kill some people.
You guys are standing here for CPR, and I gotta get my hard hat. Oh crap! What we doing today? We're going with White. We got White today. David, I don't know what he's wearing. He's not even his hat.
Dan
Yeah.
expects you to watch the videos, but there's no way to.
You gotta move down. Hang on, I'll show
How
you.
do you move down?
I'll be back. Okay, looks like it's just me. David's taking a piss. So today, I think we're doing some stuff with, what's it called? The garage doors. And, yeah, I think Herbie and, I want to say Armand is putting in some garage door openers. And then I don't know what I'm doing. Haven't figured that out yet. We'll figure it out, though, when we get to the house.
I gotta put shims in the door. They'll just keep going through the hole. Watch.
That'll be enough for you to get a good start, hasn't it?
Yeah. Okay, I'll get back with you when I'm done. We're putting shims indoors. Got all the shims. We're putting in this door right here. Step back for you. Putting in that door. We'll be done. What was that, Armand?
Put in the door, guys. How y'all doing? Like and subscribe. Ring bell, post notifications. This is all you're gonna see right now because we're on this side hammering in the door frame. That's all you get. Well, that and Preston.
Yeah, I'm on this side. Getting screwed out of the deal. I had to put shims in. Shims are done. So we're gonna walk through the house because no one's on this side. Because we're cool like that. So we found out the other day that these shelves that they put in, they're not even gonna use because the girl has too much clothes or something like that. So yeah, that's fun. And they vacuumed the whole house. It looks good. See? What'd you do, David?
I broke the handle.
You done fucked up.
Well, it's empty now.
Yeah, David just broke the handle on the foam we're insulating.
We're insulating the garage door so heat doesn't escape and cold doesn't get in.
Where's your hard hat?
He just broke it. I ain't got one on me, man. We're in.
You heard that?
I knew there was grip in that.
Armand's mom. He does not have a hard hat on, and I do. He could have easily grabbed one on his way out to the trailer or to the house. So,
They're all really bad.
but they're all in really bad condition. So I would recommend you get him a new one.
Two
Same.
new ones.
Two new ones. Okay, David, what the heck are we doing up here?
Okay, well this broke right here because I crushed it. I did this and then snapped off. So we're out of this, and I don't know what to do to insulate this door. And look at that! Look at that!
Yeah, look what
at
you
that.
did. What the hell did you do right there? Come on, man. Come on. Fix it. Oh my gosh. You're making it worse, David.
Touch it.
Do I have to? Will it hurt me?
No.
Oh my god!
Oh, Mr. Michael Dragon,
Michael Dragon.
Oh, what the heck? Stupid.
Mr. Dan Dragon.
We got an absolutely
1 second.
stupid kid
All right,
here.
I need you to come in here.
So, we're not having that busy of a day. We've really been focusing on this door. We're out of foam, so we have to get more foam up there for the top. David, he's over here crying because he got foam on his finger.
I wasn't crying. I'm sad because I broke it.
The spray foam, not his finger.
Yeah, he broke the spray foam can, which we already showed him that earlier. Not much else to really do at the moment.
Just nailing, screwing,
Just
and
chilling.
foaming.
Chilling for right now. David, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm looking down. Am I smiling while I'm looking down?
No, you're not.
No, I'm just looking down.
69 3/8. What's the measure? 69 3/8. Look at that one there.
Anyway,
Here comes Dan.
Okay, ending off the day. Herbie, how was your day?
Slightly, but slightly unproductive.
Why is that?
Well, Daryl doesn't know what the hell he's doing.
Oh, nice, nice. What about you, David? How was your day?
it was good. The cabinets went very well. I was working on, and we got new foaming stuff.
All right, what about you? How was
did
your
I do
day?
today?
How was your day?
Oh, it was pretty good.
Yeah. Herbie said it was bad. Herbie said Daryl had no idea what he was talking about.
No, you had nothing. You didn't know what you were talking about. Daryl did.
Oh, you hear that?
Daryl
You hear that? Fucking trash. We'll get back with you when we're at the trailer.
Well,
Okay, ending off the vlog. We're back at the trailer.
Heyo!
How was everyone's day?
Fantastic.
What about you, Briar? What'd you have to do today?
Watch a video for CPR.
Oh, yeah?
Congrats.
Come on. What how about yours?
What I did. Put in a door.
Sounds real fun. What do I got? Is that foam on my nose? Ow.
Oh yeah, when you put it, when you went to go.
Ow, it was
spray
stuck
it
to
up
my
one time,
nose.
spray it everywhere.
Still is kind of. Holy cow. Hey. All right, where'd David go? Oh, there he is. Hey, so, how you like it?
Well, the day was a little bit rough. I mean, the door got all fixed, but it took me a while to get the cabinets to work out, and otherwise, that was pretty much it. Nothing
Yep,
too bad.
well, David's actually back in the vlog.
Oh my.
Oh, bro. What are you gonna do, Brian? What are you gonna do?
I got the big stuff.
I'm not gonna do anything.
You gonna beat his ass? Yo, go beat his ass, bro. Okay. Oh, shit.
Fight. Throw it in the mud. Go throw it in the mud.
Oh, he's touching your shoes. Alright, we're in and out. Alright, what you gotta say?
Hey man, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for post notifications.
You heard him. Like him, subscribe. And Dream Team! Alright, peace.